My name is Alec Koujaian. I will be 21 in 3 months, a big milestone for me. I work 4 to 5 days a week at a store called Menards, which is like Home Depot. I work from 5 in the morning to 10 in the morning. Before that, I worked at a warehouse at Siemens, where my dad works, and before that, I was a camp counselor at our local park district for 2 years. I drive a car and I go to the local community college. I will be graduating this May with my associate's degree in fire science in a couple of months. I'm hoping I will become a firefighter. Oh, I also have NPC. I didn't have any symptoms when I was growing up. My sister Haley did, though, from seizures to learning issues. The only reason why I was diagnosed so early was because of my sister. When Haley was diagnosed, the whole family got tested. I tested positive. I really didn't understand what that really meant, and I know my parents were very worried then and still are now. I don't have many symptoms. Don't get me wrong. There are some areas I struggle with, which you will hear about shortly. And I do have to work harder to get to where I need to be. But I'm willing to do it. I have been getting lumbar puncture treatment since the beginning, just like my sister Haley, which is over 5 years. Cheers, Dr. Kravis! Just 2 days ago, I had my 138th infusion. These treatments are part of my new normal now. So what does my day look like? I wake up around 4:15 in the morning and get ready to go to work, which is at 5 a.m. I work till 10 a.m. Afterwards, I either do errands that my parents want me to do, like shopping, or go home to do homework, or go to school for my classes. I try to help out as much as I can around the house and take care of my sister Haley too. I volunteer at Haley's Special Olympics practice every Tuesday and help with their other events. I consider myself lucky that I was diagnosed early and started treatment early. I certainly do not want to lose the skills and opportunities that I currently have. However, it doesn't mean that everything is okay. There are certain things that I struggle with. Speech is one example. Sometimes I have problems with finding the right words to say. Other times I stutter, especially when I start talking fast. For example, I always get stuck at the word the and the word after. Sometimes I repeat the same word twice. You may have noticed these during my talk today. I started seeing a speech therapist to help me with these difficulties. There are speech sheets that I have that I practice almost daily to help me with my speech. At school, there are certain areas I struggle with, which means that I must study harder. As part of the Access and Disability Services, there are resources that are available to me at school that I take advantage of whenever I can. I also wear hearing aids because of mild hearing loss, so I always make sure I am sitting in front of class to hear the instructors better. I do hate changing those pesky batteries, though. Finally, I just want you to know that many people do not know that I have NPC. Not my friends, not my coworkers or teachers. Mostly because I do not want their pity or get preferential treatment. But I thought this meeting was important enough for me to go public and come here and tell you my story.